There is an average of 110 cases of botulism reported in the United States annually. 70% of these cases are infant botulism. The average age is of 13 weeks with a range from 1 to 63 weeks. Boys and girls are affected equally. Infant botulism was first recognized in 1976. Since the 1980s, infant botulism has been the most commonly reported form of botulism in the United States. Infant botulism is a sporadic disease. While it is a serious illness for the affected child, it does not pose a public health threat because it is extremely rare and has no epidemic potential. Infants hospitalized with this disease tend to have higher birth weights and more often born to mothers who are Caucasian, older, and have a higher education level. Affected infants are more commonly breastfed and have histories of normal gestation and delivery with no congenital abnormalities. Clustering of each case of infant botulism has been noted in some suburban areas in the eastern United States and small towns and rural areas in the west. Infant botulism occurs when the C. botulinum spores germinate and produce toxin in the gastrointestinal tract of infants. There is no person-to-person transmission. The risk factors and vehicles of transmission of the C. botulism for most cases remain unclear. A survey of foods fed to infants revealed the specimens of corn syrup as well as honey, but in no other category of the food tested. Investigators have noted environmental conditions might expose infants to environmental sources of C. botulinum, such as vacuum cleaner dust, soil nearby building construction, dusty or windy locations. These exposures, however, have not been fully evaluated by control studies.